B syndrome, etiology, external pathogenic factors. External pathogenic factors, invasion of external pathogenic factors such as wind, cold, or dampness is by definition the main cause of painful obstruction syndrome. Wind. Wind is the most pernicious of all pathogenic factors and one that is almost always combined with the other. Exposure to wind is an extremely important cause of painful obstruction syndrome. Even though in modern industrial societies, housing is generally good and our life is relatively more sheltered from climatic pathogenic factors, dictates of passion or simple ignorance leads many people to be exposed to disease-inducing weather conditions. For example, people living in cold and rainy countries may tend to be over-enthusiastic at the slightest spell of sunny weather and wear very little clothing even though temperature may still be low. It is also not unusual to see joggers running in extremely cold and damp weather with very little on. They also sweat profusely, which opens the pores and facilitate the invasion of external wind, cold, and dampness. Some doctors think that which an etiological factor in Chinese medicines indicates a sudden change of weather and the consequent inability of the body to adapt to it rather than actual wind. The body is more prone to invasion of wind during spells of unseasonable weather. This applies not only when it is unseasonably cold, but also when it is unseasonably warm. Cold. Cold is an extremely common cause of painful obstruction syndrome, and it occurs not only in cold countries. For example, exposure to cold may also derive from exposure to droughts, to air conditioning, or to wearing wet clothes after swimming. Cold contacts and congeals, and therefore causes local stagnation of chi with an intense pain, usually in one joint. Dampness. Dampness is another extremely common cause of painful obstruction syndrome. It may derive from being exposed to damp weather, from sitting on damp surfaces, wading in water, living in damp environment, and so on. Thank you for your listening.